Okay. After planing, measure this one. Then thickness also have to measure. Okay. Thickness first measure. Then divided by 2. What is the thickness? 45. Have to make it 45. What is the half of 45? 22.5. And take the marking gauge and draw the center line. Divided by 2. This side and this side. Center line have to make. After center line, then see the marking. 150 minus 45. So what is the balance?
105.
105. 105 divided by 2.
So 52.5.
Yeah, 52.5. 52.5 here and 52.5 here. Center is coming 45.
Okay.
Okay? Then first of all draw the line divided by 2 here. 51, draw the line. Again 51, draw the line. And you have scale rule? No sir. Yeah. Wrote it yaar, simple yaar.
Sir, fine sir. Sir, आपकी नहीं ले रहा sir.
Listen here. 51. 150. Here to here. I reverse the scale. Again one more 150. And draw the line.
This is 150 is the length, no?
In the length. See, this is 150 and this is also 150. 105 plus here 45.
Okay.
Okay, 2 pieces ready now. Then 150 minus 45. 105. 105 divided by 52.5. Divided by 2 means. So 52.5 here to here. 52.5. Then here also 52.5. Then draw the line.
So you want to have some other joint, only T joint?
Other joint also. See.
So,
Enough.
okay.
45. One part is enough. Part number 1 is enough. Part number 2 corner you have to minus. 150 minus 45. So 45 here, this side.
So basically after cutting the 2 blocks, we have to make it according to these dimensions.
Yeah. 45.
Alright.
Enough. Part number 2.